I think in Malaysia practice, currently, for library to use hybrid battery system is a bit expensive way lah. It's a bit expensive way because first of all, what is inside a library? Only human. If you do not have power supply, what is the worst thing you will have? People just walk out from the library only. Means you got no light, you got no aircon, so you cannot do reading, so you just go home. Does it cause some damage to library? No, because library is the place to store book. It's not a data center. Data center, you need a very, very good and sophisticated emergency supply system. It can be double backup. Backup by battery as a real time, so there is no power interruption. But when the genset also backup, maybe it could be 15 seconds later, when the power failure, within that 50 seconds, the genset cannot pick up so fast because you need to crank it up. Take a big time for the the current to stabilize, the voltage to stabilize. So normally 15 seconds. So within this 15 seconds, you need battery to back up, or else all your data will be lost. Data center, ICT. But in the library, what do you have? You only have book and human. So if you don't have power supply, then the people just walk away from the library lah. But of course, I do not discourage you from innovative way. You can be very innovative. Actually, this hybrid system, the way I look at it, is good, is innovative, but wrong application. You should apply it in data center. Then it is a very good design. So when you apply something, you will have to see what is the needs. So in engineering, a lot of time people say, what is a performance spec? What is the need statement? Okay, there's a standard word called need statement. What is the need? What is the owner want? They will give you a need statement. So basically for library, I would say it's a bit too expensive to have hybrid system for battery. And the second thing is battery. Also, is it this battery the environment friendly type? Because most battery I know you cannot simply discharge to the earth because it is toxic. It has negative effect on the environment because once this chemical go into our river stream, because when you simply pour on the ground during the rain, this chemical will seepage into your underground and it will go into your river. Then when this go into a river, it will come back to your water treatment plant, and later on it will come back as water that we drink. Do you know the cycle? So this battery, I do not know whether it is environment friendly, or else if it's not environment friendly, I will encourage you don't use so much battery in your design. Use less battery in your design, because now we are talking about environmental friendly design. When you go for green building, you may not get point by giving him a battery. Green building design, everything is 4 point. You use recyclable material, you use environmental friendly material, you use something that is more energy saving, something that is do not have any negative impact to people, then you got point. There's a plus point. Yeah. Okay, plus point. But battery, I think so far nobody give point in green building because so far the basic understanding about battery is it is not so environment friendly when the battery cannot use, when you want to discharge it. Where do you need to discharge? In Malaysia so far we do not have incinerator plant. Most likely we have to pop up in a landfill. So if the battery is broken, then the chemical can come out. Then you go back to your reverse remedy. Okay. So for environmental friendly design, unless there is an environmental friendly battery, yes, then I think it is a good idea to do it. But data center, they have no choice. Just now I explained to you because of the backup, 15 seconds. They have no choice, so they have to use battery. Because you cannot afford to have data loss. Once you have data loss, the data center has to compensate the user for millions of dollars. Millions of dollars. If let's say Intel or the banking system is using your data center to store their data, you imagine the data when it's lost, how are you going to compensate to the user? This is talking about millions of losses. So this, no choice. Environmental friendly will put one side. Most important is a functional. So you need to have a functional and workable design. So you put battery. But for normal building, office, even shopping mall, you can't see any battery design for for all this purpose, because there's no critical load. We call it critical load. There's no critical loads, LOAD, critical load. It's something that without power supply also you can live. Okay.